Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the device to avoid damage. Once done, remove any battery or external power, keep it disconnected. Using a small Phillips and flat pry, gently remove surrounding bezel or the specific keycap using a puller, do not yank. You want clear access to the plastic scissor or hinge beneath. Make sure to collect screws in a tray. This initial disassembly reveals the mechanism so you can see whether debris, a broken retainer, or sticky residue is the culprit. You now inspect the exposed mechanism closely to identify the cause. Once lifted, look for debris lodged in the scissor or under the rubber dome, and check that clips and stabilizers are intact. Broken plastics require replacement. Clean with compressed air first, then apply a small amount of 90% isopropyl on a swab to remove sticky residue. Use sparingly to protect electronics. If clips are bent, gently realign them with tweezers. Make sure parts move freely before you refit the keycap. You finish by carefully reassembling the key. Align the scissor/hinge, place the keycap straight down, and press evenly until it snaps. Uneven pressure can break clips. Once reassembled, reconnect power and test key travel and electrical response in multiple presses. If the key still sticks or feels wobbly, replace the retainer or entire key mechanism. Many keyboards sell spare parts. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, check for underlying warped stabilizers or residue deeper in the switch. Repeat cleaning or swap parts as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.